Hi, in this video we will create a heatmap like this one with data coming from a PubNub source containing trade information. You can follow the guide yourself by going to the examples tab in a new card and selecting the PubNub streams to trade heatmap example. You can try it yourself even if you don't have an account. Just go to app.instadeq.com and click try it now. We're going to start by creating a PubNub source. The default configuration is okay because this is an example source from PubNub, so we are going to just click apply. You may notice compared to other examples that the output is not a table, it's what's called a record. It's just one fact and not a collection of facts with the same fields. So what we are going to have to do is we are going to have to keep the most recent trades by trade type and symbol. For that we are going to create a group by. So I'm going to drag first the bid price and I'm going to select last because I want to keep the last bid price. This is just the global last, but I'm going to keep the last by symbol and trade type. Again, now it's a table, which is okay, but it's still keeping just the last value. And for tables like CSV tables or Excel spreadsheets, this is okay because usually one update contains all the information we need, and if a new value comes in, we want to clean the state of the group by card. But in case of a stream of records, we want to keep the last ones. So we are going to expand the settings on the bottom right, and we're going to change the eviction policy from evict on each update to evict above size limit. So we are going to keep the last 1000, which is enough because there are not so many combinations of symbols and trade types for this. We are going to see that at some point this will stabilize the number of rows. We already have the information we need, so we are going to create a chart, and we are going to chart the bid price last by symbol and trade type. Instadeq will propose a default chart. We're going to change it to heatmap. And this is kind of okay. We can still improve it by sorting by symbol and then by trade type so that the order of the labels on the X and Y axis are sorted alphabetically. And we can also expand the settings and play a little bit with the margins because we put enough margins on the left and the bottom in case the labels are really long, but this is not the case. So if we want to see how it will look like once it's shared or in a grid, we can click the top right icon to get more actions and select the read-only view. And here we can see how our chart will look like once it's shared. So this was how to create a heatmap from a stream of records containing trade information from PubNub. It's a little bit different than other examples because it requires to change the eviction policy from the group by card, so we can keep the last 1000 updates from the stream, but it's just changing one setting, and this applies to any source that is a stream. If you have any question, just comment below. Bye.